Here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our GT40 front ends on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller, custom pistons. Obviously it's Borla stack injected. And fuel management, Holley, Terminator X, great system. It's got the GT40 pan from Avian. Take you in there and show you around. Alrighty, down at 3,500, it's 498 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 533, a lot of 30s there, really good and flat. Peak horsepower 516, we're rated at 500, so it's got a front end on it. So, between Borla and our new cylinder head, runs good. We'll get her off there, get in the crate, come your way. I think it's going to the UK. Have a great day.